This is an introductory video on the use of Edu 2.0. I already created a website for Southern High School and registered some of you. And so if you type in the web address shs.edu20.org, you will come to this screen here. And you should already have login information sent to your email address. If not, I can send it to you. And your user ID and password should be in there. Now once you enter the Edu 2.0 website, it'll come to a basic news feed which shows everything that's going on for your classes or system notice information also. And as you can see, based on my news feed here, I've uploaded a couple videos recently and given a couple tests. Now, currently I have you guys registered for Learning Leaders Southern High School, so when you go up to classes, you can come down and find the course underneath the tab and click on it. And what this is going to do is it's going to change your screen to the channel for Learning Leaders Southern High School. And so on the left hand side here, we've got a set of tabs for news, lessons, calendar, assignments, gradebook, resources, teacher, students, attendance, and forums. And it also has its own news feed here, so I can enter into the class announcement that I have uploaded a new video introducing Edu 2.0. And I have a choice. I can either just post it onto the Edu 2.0 website, or I can click send in message, and it's also going to send an email to everybody's email box. So for tonight, I'm going to click the send in message here. And where I'm going to eventually upload this video is under the resource tab. And this is the tab I think that we'll use a lot here for uploading information. And so the resource tab, it's going to be important that we keep it organized and figure out how we want to organize it based on folders. So right now I have just vocabulary, comprehension, fluency up here. Those could all go under literacy. They can be rearranged. But I'm going to add a folder here for Introduction to Edu 2.0. And then within this folder here now, I can upload additional information. So if I want to add a resource here, I can add a computer document, such as a document, presentation, or video. The video has to be under 30 megabytes if you're going to upload it directly from home. I can upload a web page or a web resource or something that I already have in my library. So to show you the uploading of web resource here, I'm going to click on web resource, and what it's going to ask us to do is it's going to ask us to just enter the URL for the video. And I think if we use this correctly here, we can upload a lot of our videos to YouTube if they're over 30 megabytes. And so you would just copy the web address and copy it into here. And so I have for this video, Neil deGrasse Tyson, NASA budget to get us started. And then it gives you the option of adding this to different libraries. So if you want to use this for a variety of different classes, you can either add this to your personal library, and so you'll be able to access it outside of this class just by you, or you can add to the school or the community. And I'm just going to click personal right now because not everybody needs this video. And I click save. And so what happens after clicking save here, it's created this and embedded the YouTube video right there on the site. Now I can add additional resources here. So let's say I want to add a description here. So for that video, we'll call this Neil deGrasse Tyson description. And this is a video discussing the importance of NASA's budget for our economy and education. I'll click Save. So now within this folder here on Introduction to Edu 2.0, I have two different things uploaded. I have a video from YouTube, and I also have what I just typed in to the HTML editor, and it put the description down below because that was the second thing I entered. If I want to rearrange this, I can just simply click and drag it so it shows the description up above. We can also edit how it displays different things. So I think this would be a good opportunity for us to upload a video that we're going to use of somebody's classroom. They can upload a template of the document that they use and a short description of the work that they've done at that point. Additionally, to the resource tab here, we have a forum. And so in the forum here, it's just a discussion area, so I could add to the forum here of learning leader goals. And so we could type in here ideas for 120, 150, and 180-day goal, and click Save. So now that this has been created, I can click Post, and we can have the idea of digital sharing of teacher cohort and research-based strategies through Edu 2.0. And so I would enter then my text for what I want to say. And so I could say I think Edu 2.0 would be great to share ideas and also for possible use with students. And click Send. And so now that's uploaded here. So if I click back on the forums here, we've got learning leader goals, and my topic is within it right now. And going back to our resources here, Introduction to Edu 2.0, click on the folder, there's our video. That's the initial introduction here to Edu 2.0 to give you an idea of what we can do with it. I'd be happy to answer any further questions. I can also videotape additional uses here. And that is it. Thanks.